my grandmother's recipe for ready-to-eat refrigerator cucumbers, which makes like refrigerator pickles. I tweaked it a little bit. I had two good garden cucumbers, the salad more ones. But there you go. I've got two Clausen jars filled up with those two pickles, pepper, an orange pepper there, onion. I've got dill in there, garlic, onion, dill weed, salt, a little bit of sugar, not much. And these will be ready in about a day or two. These may take about 24 hours, 48 hours in the refrigerator, and then they're ready to eat. Y'all have a good day.